Alright guys, so this is pump replacement on an Excel 2400 PSI pressure washer. I'm going to put the pump in the description below. Here, wait, where is that thing? It's over here. You'll be surprised, they're super cheap on Amazon. This one I think is even 3000 PSI. I mean, it might be the 2500, but I'm pretty sure that I got the 3000 because this little 5.5 horse motor or 5 horse motor will actually handle it. It'll push it no problem. Let me open up this so you can see the pump. So I got this off. Comes with instructions. Comes with a hose, and this is the filter that goes into. They originally had these. This goes into like a bottle of car wash or degreaser or whatever you're using at the time, and it suds it up. New bolts, new keyways. The pump itself. Description card, warning card. Just be careful when you're using it. And you see it's the same thing. Let's turn it the way it goes though. Same exact pump. Nothing fancy about it, but I think this one is 3000 PSI. But anyways, first thing we're gonna do is he's got a quick release on this thing, so we're gonna unscrew his piece, or we'll pop the hose off first. It takes 2 hands. Take this thing off. It's so rough. Look at that. It's just shot out. And I couldn't get this off at all. I'm gonna have to go buy a new one for him. I wonder if I got one. I don't have one. I'll just have to order one for him. But I'm still gonna do this pump replacement. Just won't be able to hook up the hose. That's all. All right. So there's 4 Allens on this. I believe that these are 5mm, maybe they're 6mm. Take those 4 out. With your Allen is if you take a wrench, set it in like that, it gives you a little more leverage to break it free. You may be lucky and be able to grab it and slide it right off. Oh, look, the keyway. Somebody had this off. This was just spinning inside. The keyway was never in it. Somebody messed with this. That's why it wasn't working. If it doesn't just spin right off, you can take a crowbar and stick it in there and pry it off. If that isn't working, start it, and the vibration will make it slide right off, no problem. But this person didn't have a keyway in there. They freaking took it off themselves. They were messing with it. Look at all the aluminum dust. Look at that. All the metal dust. That thing's all just wallered out where it was never on right. That's funny. People, that's 2 in a row. The pump I just did, somebody else had messed with and fucked it all up. That would have worked fine if they put it together right, but they didn't. All right, I'm going to take some sandpaper or a wire brush. I actually got a wire brush, so I'm gonna take and clean this off. If you start the engine, you can just hold the wire brush to it. Now it's nice and clean. We're going to take a little bit of 2-cycle oil or motor oil, any kind of oil, and just wipe the shaft down. Make sure that the keyway is pointing up. So when you put the keyway in, it doesn't just slide out like that. Oils really just help the pump to slide on, you know, nice and easy. Slather it all on. All right, that's that. This one came with brand new keyways. Let me open it up. I'm gonna take the long one, stab it right into there, like that. It helps sometimes if you take, oh, hold on, back of your wrench. Find my wrench, there we go. Just make sure it's seated all the way in place. Now we're going to take the new pump and we're going to make sure that the keyway side is up. We're going to line it up, and you know that it's lining up when you turn it, and it's turning the shaft and everything, and it slides right in. Now that long one, it won't freaking fall out either as easy. It takes a lot more. So we got all that in. I'm going to use the old bolts. Just pop them right back in. All 4 of them. I'm going to tighten these down crisscross. One there, one over here. Then this one here. Then this one over here. And you just get them slowly tight. You do it like 3-4 passes to get it full tight. I'm going to take the hose with the filter. That's going to be, I'm just going to leave it kind of like on here so he knows it's there, and plug it right into this brass piece here, you know. Only thing left I got for this guy is to get his quick release attachment so that he can use his machine. Alright guys, this help you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll have that pump in the description below. If you want to do any advertising, yeah, just click the link. It'll blow your mind. Even if you don't want to buy this, just click the link. It'll blow your mind how cheap these are. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'd love to have a sponsor. Peace.